Planning in ResourceFirst begins with the effort forecast. But before we can get into complete detail on the effort forecast, we need to understand the resources themselves. Each resource has a profile. The profile includes different attributes, including the skill sets that the resource possesses. This can include a primary skill as well as secondary skills. Some of the graphs show how those skills are allocated across the project set. Each resource also has a capacity, the amount of effort that can be applied across all projects in the portfolio. And we can see whether the forecast exceeds or falls behind capacity. Now, the effort forecast takes a look at all work assigned to individual team members. It considers demand, supply, and the priority of the assignment, and we're able to figure out which work makes sense and which work is unachievable. For work that's unachievable, we can consider other resources with similar skill sets to take on all or part of the assignment that is currently unachievable. We can roll up all assignments by resource and get a chart of utilization. This chart is active, and we're able to drill down into individual resources and see the detailed forecast behind situations where resources are overcommitted or undercommitted. In this case, we can view the project assignments by resource, but we can also drill into an individual project and see the total story. It's real important that every time you solve a resource planning issue, you consider it from both a resource perspective and a project perspective. And here we can roll up all projects by demand and see that the high priority projects are in pretty good shape, but the low priority projects have lots of issues we need to resolve. Dashboards assist by giving us additional insight into the resource profiles, especially in aggregate, where we can see distributions and situations where certain skill sets either have remaining availability or are overcommitted. If you'd like to track actuals against the forecast, we offer a timesheet that automatically populates with assignments as they're assigned to individual resources. We can select the appropriate period and go down and quickly fill out hours that are contributed to individual projects on a daily basis, or we can enter in summary information and we can spread that total effort across the week or time period. We also offer non-project or overhead categories so you can track other work that gets done in the organization that may or may not pertain to the portfolio. This information is immediately available in our dashboard reports, where we can see baseline forecast actual reports from both a FTE standpoint as well as from a financial standpoint.